So this is a series of 7 events for kindergarten children. We did it for pre-primary children. And so this is like 7 different events. On all Saturdays, we had this event. So this Saturday, we are having origami with Apurva auntie. I know a lot of you like Apurva auntie. You have given me a lot of feedback. Like you like Apurva auntie. You have sent your craft activities. So we are also very happy to invite Apurva auntie today. So let us all clap hands and invite her, okay?
Thank you so much. Thank you.
So our instructions for today is all of us will stay in mute. You all will have your videos on. Anybody without video on will be removed from the meeting immediately. Okay? So I request all of you to switch on your videos.
Sharanya, Rajalakshmi is saying something. Can we listen to them?
Yes.
We have a phone, camera clarity problem in our mobile, so we can't switch on video alone, ma'am.
And we have one more instructions also, as we have few children new to this. We have sent a link, a form. So kindly fill that form and send it to us. There will be one screen. Can you see? There's one activity screen. When we request you to pin on that activity screen, please double click on it. Okay, I hope we are okay with it. We can start off.
Let's begin. Let's begin.
Yes. Shall we proceed, Apurva?
Go to the 4th slide, and then we'll present.
Yes. And few of you who don't know about Apurva is in our pre-primary curriculum development team, and she's helping us with the 7 event concept. She has done a lot of events with us, and we are very, very happy to have Apurva again with us to have a lot of fun. So let us welcome Apurva. Over to you, Apurva.
Can you present the 4th slide?
Yeah. Yeah, I need 1 minute.
Good morning, everyone. Can everybody give me a hi? Hi. Everybody, hi. Hi. Don't have to unmute yourself, just hi. Okay, hi. I can see everybody giving me a hi. Nice. Thank you so much. So today we are going to do something called origami. Can everybody say origami?
Origami.
Good. Yes, one more time. Let's say origami.
Origami. Origami.
Very. Okay, now
Origami. Origami.
now can everybody mute yourself? Mute yourself in 5. Mute yourselves in 4. Mute yourselves in 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. So origami means I have a piece of paper. We have a piece of paper and we are going to make something nice and pretty with this piece of paper. Okay. Origami means making something, folding the paper like this and making something very nice and pretty from this paper. Okay. That is called origami. Now, where did origami come from? Where did origami come from? So, origami came from this country called Japan. Can everybody see this word, Japan? So, people of Japan started doing origami first. And now in India, people like you and me, we are also doing this activity. Okay, origami activity. Sharanya, can you go to next slide? Okay, so first, before we begin, we are going to take our paper and we are going to learn some folds. Now I want everybody to start looking at the activity screen. Can everybody find the activity screen on their mobile phones and laptops? Activity screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Apurva, I'll also pin it from my side.
Can you hear me? Can you see my hand?
Yeah.
Everybody? Sharanya, is my hand visible?
Yeah, it is visible.
Okay. So now, children, we are going to take a piece of paper and we are going to learn how to make different types of folds first. Okay? Can everybody take their paper?
Black color la panita black sheet.
Children, please
Okay,
stay
I
in
want everybody
mute.
to first mute yourselves. Please mute. Manikandan, can you mute yourself, please? Manikandan, thank you so much. Okay. Now, everybody has taken a paper? Yes. So now we are going to learn half fold. Half means we have to make the paper fold into half like this. Everybody fold your paper half like this, half. So this is half fold, and then you take your finger and press like this. Press like this. So this is half fold, and you will see a line in the center. One line will come in the center of the paper. Can everybody do that? I'm waiting for everyone to do that. Take the paper, fold it into half like this, and press with your finger, and you get a line like this. If you have made a fold, show me on the camera if your paper is ready. I can see Pratyusha is showing. I can see Shreya is also showing. Thank you, Shreya. Advaita is also showing. Divya is showing. Sai Darshini is showing. Vimla, is your half fold ready? Okay. Great. Okay. Now we are going to take the same paper and we are going to do a different fold. Again, open the paper like this. Open the paper. Now take the corner. Can you see this corner? Take the corner and fold it and join it with this corner here. This corner, join it. And then again press it like so. This corner join with this corner. And you will get a triangle like this. And there will be a line in the center. Okay, I will repeat. You take this corner and you fold like this to join with the other corner. And then you press with your finger and you get a line like this. Now this is called diagonal fold. Half fold only, but diagonally. Can everybody show me this triangle you made? Yes, I can see Shreya's, I can see Pratyusha's, I can see Kanishka's also. Yes, thank you so much. Hi, Darshini is also doing. Thank you so much. So, I will repeat. I have taken this corner in the open paper, this corner, and I have joined it with the other corner. This is called diagonal fold. Okay.
Fish.
Okay, I have a Okay, thank you so much. Can you now mute yourself, everybody? Thank you. Mute yourselves in. Very good. Mute yourselves in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you so much. So we have a fish, we have a dog, we have a rabbit, and we have a whale. Whale is a huge fish, big fish. Okay. Sharanya, go to the next one. So let's see. We are going to make one animal together. Which animal is this? Can Divya tell me? Divya, tell me. Divya. I want to talk to Divya. I want to talk. Okay, children, I want to talk to Divya. Divya, can you tell me which animal is this? Divya, unmute yourself. Divya.
Dog, man.
Okay, thank you so much. Now we are all going to make dog with a paper. Sharanya, can you stop
Oh, no.
sharing?
Yes, yes.
Okay, so children, I want everyone to take a piece of paper. See, I have to take a paper. Can everybody take a paper? Any color paper is okay. Any color paper. You can take any color paper. I have taken a red color paper here. You can take any color paper. Okay. Now we are going to make the dog. Remember the diagonal fold will start from this corner and we will join here, this corner. Okay. So let's fold. This way you have to fold the paper like this. And then you have to press like this with your finger. Can everybody do this? So take this corner and join with the other corner like this and you get a triangle like this. Can you see the triangle? Like this, can everybody make the triangle? Yes, I can see Shreya's ready. Divya is also ready. I would like the children to try. Children, you try. It's okay. Even if it is not perfect. Children, I would like the children to try. Parents, you can help, but get the child to try. Use your finger and press it like this. Nicely press. Now, we are going to make the face of the dog. So dog has two big ears, right? Dog has a big ear which is always falling next to its face. So I'm going to take this corner and fold it like this. Can you see? Take this corner and fold it like this. So this is the first ear and again I will press like this. Nicely I will press. So this is the first ear of the dog. Can everybody do this? Take this corner and fold it like this. I will wait for everyone to fold and make one ear. It's the ear of the dog. I want the children to try with the parents. Parents, if you are helping, get the child also to try with you. Now, the dog has how many ears? The dog has 2 ears. 2, right? One this side and one the other side. So we are going to make the second ear also. So I will take this corner and I will fold again. And this is the second ear of the dog. And again, I will press like this. So ear number 1, ear number 2, this is the ear of the dog. Can you see ears are moving? I would like all of you to make the ears 2 ears. Ear number 1, ear number 2. Can anybody show it on the screen? Show it to camera. Darshini is so pretty, purple color dog. Shreya is also very nice. Divya is also
No,
nice.
Lakshmi has done it so beautifully.
Yellow color
Very
dog. Nice. Okay. So now the ears are ready. We have to make the dog's nose and mouth. Okay. So take this corner at the bottom, this small corner, and we will fold it upwards. Upwards. Up like this. Okay. 2 pages, both. So there are 2 flaps, right? Take both and fold it like this. And again, press. Press nicely with your finger. Take finger and press like this. Can you see? Now the face of the dog is ready. Okay. The 2 ears are there. Now we are going to draw with our pencil or pen or any sketch pen. Anything you have? Any pen, pencil, children? Anything? I can see Shreya is holding a pencil. I can see, I think Varshini is going to get a pencil. Okay, we will wait for you, Varshini. Come fast. Everybody, you have a pen or pencil? Yes. So now I'm going to first draw the eyes of the dog. So you also draw the eyes of the dog. Big eyes. The dog has big eyes. Big, big eyes. Can you see my dog's eye? Big eye like this. Then I will make the second eye. And I will color the eye also. You also draw the eye. Big eye. Look at the eyes of my dog. You also draw the eyes. Yes, good job. Good job, Shreya. Good job. As can see, Divya is also ready. Advitya is ready. Good job. Now we are going to draw the nose. Can you see this tip of the paper here? This piece of the paper, we will draw the nose here. Okay, like this. Circle nose. And we will fill it with the color. Like this. Circle. With your pen or pencil, draw a circle like this. Can everybody see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Make a circle for the... Yeah, good job. I can see some parents are helping. Thank you so much, parents. Yes. Can you see the nose of the dog? Very nice. So our dog is ready. So these are the eyes. This is the nose of the dog. And there are 2 ears. Can everybody show your dogs on the screen? Sharanya, if you want to take a picture, you can take. I can see Shreya's dog. Thank you so much, Advitya, for showing. Other children also, I want to see the dog. Kanishka, it looks so pretty. Kanishka's dog looks so pretty.
Thank you, ma'am.
I want other children. Sharanya,
Yes, Apurva.
Sharanya, you hear me?
I can hear you. Yes, yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah. You've taken the picture, right?
Yes, yes, I've taken.
Ma'am.
Children, Sharanya, let's do next animal. Can you show the next animal on the screen?
Yeah, I'm doing.
Yellow dog looks very pretty. Now, children, we are going to make the second animal. Can we see what is the second animal, Sharanya? Okay, what is this animal? Can Varshini tell me? Varshini from PNET school. Sai Varshini. What animal is this?
What animal?
Shark, ma'am.
Yes, this is a fish. This is a small fish. Sai Varshini is a fish. Fish.
Fish.
Okay, Sharanya, you can stop sharing.
Yes, yes.
Yes, it's a fish.
Or white top red.
Okay, now everybody take a new piece of paper. Children, take a new piece of paper. Everybody take a new piece of paper. We are going to make a fish now, okay? This is also very simple. Again, we will start by joining the corners, these corners. Can everybody fold like this and make a triangle? You already know this. Everybody knows this. You can do it now. Come on. Join the corner like this and make a triangle. Can everybody make a triangle like this? You can take any color paper. Yes, very good. I can see. Shreya's ready. Divya's ready. Darshini is ready. Advitya is ready. Very good. Now we will open the page again. But can you see the line in the center? Can you see the line in the center? We are going to use this line, okay? Now, children, very carefully, okay? We will take this corner and we will fold like this. See how I'm folding? like this till the line is there. Parents, you can help your child. And again, I will press. So what I'm doing, this center line was there, na? This center line, I fold this side and join it here. Can everybody make this? Again, let me show. This corner and this side is there, right? I am going to fold it like this to the center line. Center line. Try, it will happen. Try it. Yes, very good. I can see, I'm not able to see the names of the students, but I can see Advitya's done. Okay. Sai Darshini is also done. Okay. Very good, Shreya. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side also. Second side also do this way. Same thing on the other side also. So like this, it becomes this way. Holding the paper like this and then pressing with your finger very hard, pressing nicely.
Done, ma'am.
Done? Very good, children. Done. Very good. Now this side, I'm going to make a small fold like this. Can you see? Small fold like this. This corner, pointy corner, I'm folding small fold, and then I'm pressing with my finger. So I get this shape. Everybody got this? I will wait. Yes, I can see children showing on the screen. Very good. Very good. Now what we will do, we will just close it like this. We will fold it and we will close it like this. And what did I get? I get this shape. I take this and I close it like this. Take this and fold it like this. And now it's folded. Can you see? So now this is my small fish. I will make a tail of this fish. Can you, now let's make a tail. Can everybody hold their fish like this? Okay. This corner, I will just turn backside like this, backwards like this. This I will turn like this backside. That's it. So this is the tail of the fish. I am taking this side corner and I am folding it this way, like this. Now the body of my fish is ready. Can everybody show me their fish in their tail? Very good, Kanishka. Okay, now again I'm going to take a pen. Can everybody take their pens or pencils? Again, we are going to draw the eyes of this fish. Big eyes. So here, this is the face side. And I'm going to make a big eye of this fish. Big eye. Okay, can you see the eye of my fish? Same way you also draw. And I will also make a small mouth like this. Small mouth from where the fish will eat its food. The fish will eat small fishes, plants for their food. Can you see the mouth? The eye and the mouth are ready. Now my fish is ready. Can everybody show their fish on the screen? Sharanya, can you take a picture of all children's fishes?
Yes, yes. Can you all lift it and show near the camera?
I am also showing. Can everybody show their fish like this? Thank you, Pratyusha.
All are
Shreya
so
has
busy making the fish.
fishes. Very nice. Darshini's fish, Kanishka's fish. Shri Udai's fish is very pretty. I can see Kartika's fish is also very nice. Divya is also nice.
Oh, nice. Vakshmi, very nice, Vakshmi. Beautiful.
So now which two animals We made two animals, right, children? We made two animals. We made, what is this animal? Which animal is this?
Dog. Dog.
And which animal is this? Second one. And
Dog.
second one?
Shark. Fish. Dog.
We have a dog and we have a fish. So now, children, we're going to take a break and we are going to do an activity. Sharanya, can you?
Yes.
Activity.
Okay. I want children to sit straight like this. Fold your hands and sit straight. Come on, everybody. Fold your hand and sit straight. Fold your hands. Fold your hands. Yes. Fold it like this. Folding hands. Yes. Thank you so much, Varshini. Shri Uday, I'm waiting for you. Shri Uday, fold your hands. Yes. I can see Aditya sitting
I
very
will also
nicely.
fold my hand.
Okay, Sharanya, thank you so much for folding your hands. So I'm also folding my hands like this, okay? So now, children, we're going to play a game. You have to watch my face, okay? Watch my face. And you have to tell me something, okay? Watch my face. Okay? Listen. Watch. Shri Taruni, can you mute yourself, please? Shri Taruni, can you mute? Yes, thank you. So everybody look at my face, okay? Look at my face and you have to think, okay? You have to think. What do you have to think? You have to think how I am feeling. My feelings, you have to see from my face, okay? Okay. So look at my face, okay? So first feeling.
Happy. Smile. Happy.
How am I feeling? How am I feeling?
Happy. Happy man. Happy man.
Now can everybody show me their happy faces? Everybody show me your happy face. Happy face. Everybody's Sharanya also showing me her happy face. Sharanya and yes. Sai Darshini's happy face. Manikandan's happy face. Manikandan little big smile. Yes, nice. Thank you so much. Okay. Okay, now second face. Okay, second one. Watch carefully. Watch. Second. Okay, second.
Surprise.
Shocked or surprised? Shocked or surprised means I am shocked. Oh, now can everybody show me the shocked face? Shocked. Huh. Everybody. Very good. So good job. Okay, third face. Okay, third face. Okay.
Sad. Sad. Sad.
Can everybody show me their sad face? Can everybody show sad face?
I hate.
Now we're going to go back to our activity, okay? Sharanya, can you show us the next animal?
Yes.
Thriller. Rabbit.
Sharanya,
Rabbit.
can you hear me? Join the corner like this. Make a triangle like this, corner. Make a triangle like this. Come on. Again, you know how to make it. We already did it 2-3 times, right? Come on, make the triangle like this. You can do it. Come on. Okay, now second step. Second step is, again, we are going to join it this way, like this. In the fish also we were doing this now. Same thing we will do for rabbit also. Join it this way, like this. And press with your finger. Hard, press hard. Okay. Like this. Like this. You have to fold it like this, children. Okay. Press hard with your finger. See, I am also pressing very hard with my finger. You also have to press like this. Okay. Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side also. Like this. And again, press with my finger. Like this. So I get a piece like this. Can everybody make a piece like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So now, once you have made a piece like that, can you show me on the screen where everybody's this triangle is ready? Yes, I can see Mithilesh also is ready. Tanishka is ready. Maria is ready. Okay, great. Now you're going to take this corner and very carefully watch what I'm
Varshini
doing.
is also ready. She just raised her
I'm
hand
folding
and
it this
mentioned her
way,
name.
children. See, I'm folding it this way. Can everybody fold it? Press nicely, okay? Hold it. And then you have to fold it for the second time this way, outside. Now see carefully. Fold it this way and then outside like this. Okay? Parents, you can help. This way, first I folded it and then I folded it this way. Okay? Now, once this is ready, I will fold this entire thing this way. And you know what this is? This is the small tail of the rabbit. This is the small tail of the rabbit. So you get a shape like this. Okay. Can everybody see this? Everybody's tail is ready, children? Yes. Now,
Yes.
rabbit has two big ears. Rabbit has two very big ears. So what I'm going to do, this time I'm going to use the scissors. Parents, if you want, you can help the child. Take the scissor and cut like this from the center to make the ear. Cut little bit only, okay? Little bit like this. Like this. So, and then what I will do, I will fold it like this. And then I will fold it like this. And these are the rabbit's ear, two ears of the rabbit. Rabbit has big, big ears. Can you see this? Now see the tail of the rabbit, ears of the rabbit are here, two big ears. 1 and 2. Now what we will do, children? What we will do? We will make the eyes of the rabbit. I will take a pen and I will draw the eyes. You also take your pen and pencil and draw the eyes of the rabbit. I'm making the eyes of the rabbit here. Take any color pen and you can draw the eyes of the rabbit. Can you see the eyes of my rabbit? And it has two big ears. Can everybody show their rabbit on the screen and Sharanya auntie will take a picture?
Hey, wow, very nice. They're so busy making.
I can see Sai Varshini showing. Sai Varshini's rabbit looks pretty. Pratyusha's rabbit is pink. Jackson's rabbit is orange in color. Divya's rabbit is blue. Tanishka's rabbit is yellow. Miklesh's rabbit is white in color. Aditya's rabbit is black. Nice. Nice. So many different colors.
Shy
Pretty.
Varshini is in blue.
Tanya,
It's
can
like
you take a picture?
perfect. Yes, I've taken.
Yeah, it's blue. Yeah.
Very nice, Shy
Okay, great.
Varshini.
So now we have made 3 animals. Which are the 3 animals we have made? Quickly, let's take a look.
Show all the 3.
I will call the name of the child. Let me see. Let me see which child. Kanishka, which is this first animal?
Dog.
Okay, now, okay. Kanishka. What is the third one? Rabbit.
Rabbit, ma'am.
Right? So now, okay. Now we are going to make one last animal. Sharanya, can you show me which animal we are going to make? Last animal.
Yes.
Next one. I'm Sai Krishna, ma'am.
Children,
Teacher Shark.
this is a whale. Big whale. Whale is a big animal. Okay, we are going to make a whale now. Okay, Sharanya, can you stop?
Yes.
Let's begin. So everybody take a new piece of paper. New paper. I've taken a white paper. You can take any color paper. Okay. Now again you have to join the corners like this, children. Join the corners and press. Okay, join the corner and press like this. Now open it. This time again, you now know how to make this one, right? You know how to fold the sides. You have to make us fold the side and make this. And press with your finger again. Press nicely with your finger, okay? Done? Everybody, press with your finger nicely. Now, we are going to press from this side also. Can you see this side? I'm going to fold this side also like this. This is a little new type of folding, children. First, I folded this side and then I'm folding this side like this. It's okay. Try, it will come to you. Don't worry. Now, I will open it and I will fold it like this. See carefully. See carefully. You have this triangle line is there now. This triangle line is there. Everybody, this triangle line will be there. Now I will fold like this. Both sides I will fold together and I will get a flap like this. Can you see I got a flap?
Again, ma'am.
I'm doing again. Did everybody get this line? First do like this and then fold like this.
Ma'am?
This is a little difficult. It will come. We will repeat the steps. First, we will fold like this.
One more repeat, ma'am.
I'm repeating. This time, first you fold like this. This is easy, right? Everybody knows this, how to fold. Correct? Now, on the other side also, fold like this. Now, can everybody fold like this? This way. First folding this way and then second time folding this way. Okay? Yes, I think Shreya has got it. Okay, now once you fold, you press nicely. Then only you will get the lines inside that paper. You will get the lines, right? And now I will open it. And what I'm seeing is I'm seeing a triangle here. Can you see a triangle? See, triangle is there. Now I will take these two sides and I will fold like this together. I will just push it inside. and I get a flap like this. This part comes out like this. See? It has come out like this. This is the fin of the fish. The fish swims like this. Nah? This is the fin of the fish. It will swim like this. Okay? Everybody got this? Everybody got this flap or not? This I'm folding. Okay. Now turn the page. Pura turn around. Turn around this way. Upside down. Turn around. And I will fold this other part like this to the center. I have folded. The flap is at the back side. And I've folded and I've made a line like this. Okay. And then again, I will make a fold like this. First, I folded like this, and second, I'm folding like this. This is simple. Now, I will turn it back around. Now, can you see? The body of the whale is ready. We have to now make its face. Now, for making the face, I will take this part and I will just turn it backside. Little bit, turn it backside. Simple, nothing else. So turn it backside. I will get this shape. The fin is still there. See, it is there. It is moving. And now I have to make the tail. The tail, simple again. Tail, I will just fold it like this. Fold it backside. This corner, I will fold like this to the backside. I am folding this side to make the face, and I'm folding this side to make the tail of the whale. Tail. Now I will take my pen and I will draw the whale's eyes. Nice big eyes. It's a big, big, big animal. It's a very big animal. It's one of the biggest animal in the entire earth. It's a big animal with a big eye. Can everybody make a whale like this? And make a mouth also. Make the whale's mouth. The whale will eat from its mouth. The whale will eat a lot of vegetables, plants. Drinks lots of water. This is my whale. Can everybody now show me their whale? Can everybody show me their whale? I can see Sai Varshini's, Divya's. This was a little difficult, but children, you made it very good. Very nice. Saranya, can you take a picture of children's whale?
Yes.
Jackson, Maria Jackson is very nice. Yellow color whale. Sai Varshini's blue color whale. Pink color whale. Nice, Shreya. Kanishka's whale is blue in color. Very pretty. Very nice eyes. Saranya, can you take a picture?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Okay. The children made 4 animals. Okay, we have made 4 animals. We have made rabbit, we have made whale, we have made fish, and we have made a dog. Can everybody show me their animals on the screen? Or Sharanya aunty will take different pictures. All the animals
Keep
if
it-
you can hold.
Keep it down or hold it in your hand and show me, so it will be
Or
easy for me.
you can take a picture and send it to Sharanya later
Yes.
as well. That's
Yes,
also
yes,
okay.
yes.
All the animals. I want to see everybody's animals. Send the pictures to us. Okay.
Wow.
Ma'am, last picture another ma'am.
Yes.
What is it, Sai Dashni?
Sorry. Can you please?
Ma'am, last picture.
What are you saying? I'm sorry.
She's asking what is the last picture. Blue whale. You did not do blue whale?
Oh yeah,
No,
Maria.
ma'am.
Beautiful.
I will share the video. You can see that and you can make it again.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So children, I will be sharing the video. If you wanted to try it again, please see the video and try it again.
You can try it on your own also.
Meet the picture. Meet the picture. Meet the picture. Last picture. Share this.
I can see different all animals. I can see
Yes, she
Maria
put everything.
Jackson's all animals on the.
A rabbit.
Yeah, nice. And now Darshini also put all the animals on the table. Nice. Okay, so children, these were the 4 animals. Everybody had fun. Everybody liked making these animals. Who liked making these animals?
All of us.
Yes, ma'am.
You liked it. Now today, give these animals to your family members. Okay, give these animals to your mommy, your papa, your brother, sister. Give it to them. Okay, show it to them what you made today.
Yes.
So parents, thank you so much. Can everybody mute themselves in 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm still hearing somebody is not on mute. Okay, great. So parents, this was one of the activities called origami, which is done within our component creative art. In creative art, we also do other activities like model making, dance, singing, and with different activities with musical instruments also. Paper craft is one of the activities that we do. We also do activities where children are using other craft material like ropes, cloth, and other items to make different models. This is called visual art because you're able to see this. We are very visually able to see the art. This contains painting, this contains craft, this contains model making. At the same time, we also have something called performing arts where children can perform something that includes dance, singing, playing musical instruments. So all these different types of art topics are part of our creative art component, and that is done every day with children to help them develop the different creative aspects of their personalities. So if any parent has any questions for me right now, before we end, I would be happy to answer those questions.